Financial independence is an important concept in life that many people are aiming for. It refers to the ability to earn money on your own and manage your finances independently, independent of other people's income sources. Achieving financial independence not only brings financial freedom and security, but it also gives confidence and control over life. Let's explore together some of the ways you can achieve financial freedom. 1. Define financial goals. First, you need to define your financial goals. This helps you know where to go and focus on saving and investing to get there. 2. Create a passive income source. To achieve financial independence, you need to find a way to create a passive income source. These are sources of income that you don't need to work directly to earn, such as income from real estate, stocks, or an online business. 3. Save and invest smart. An important part of achieving financial independence is saving and investing smart. Consider ways to save on day-to-day expenses and invest in higher return opportunities. 4. Build financial management. To achieve financial independence, you need financial management knowledge and skills. Learn the principles of money management, financial planning, and improve your resource management. 5. Building relationships and networks. An important part of achieving financial independence is building relationships and networks. Look for people with similar financial goals and learn from their experiences. 6. Control spending and avoid debt. To achieve financial independence, spending management is very important. Create a budget and control your spending. Avoid buying unnecessary things and avoid unnecessary debt. 7. Continuously learning and improving skills. Financial independence requires you to continuously learn and improve your skills. Invest time and effort into learning about finance, investing, business, and related fields. 8. Develop a long-term financial plan. To achieve financial independence, develop a long-term financial plan. Define your goals, create an investment plan, and manage your finances in the direction of your long-term goals. 9. Asset protection and security. To ensure financial independence, secure assets and protect what you have accumulated. Invest in insurance, protect your assets, and plan for your future. 10. Face the challenge and be patient. Achieving financial independence is not an easy journey. You will face many challenges and difficulties. Be patient. Don't give up and always put your financial goals first. With the above ways, you can gradually achieve financial independence and have the freedom to manage your finances. However, remember that financial independence isn't just about making money. It's also about using it wisely and meaningfully.